Hello viewer. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Monday Chokes. So today I'm going to show you how to make $20 to $100 per day online trading options. Okay. Now looking at what I have here, there is a requirement for you to do this. Now all you need is just to set up your account and put the whole thing going. Okay. Now what we're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is first and foremost open your account here with this broker. That's the number one criteria or requirement for participating, okay, in this training I'm going to do. So here you click to register an account, because I'm going to teach just 10 people how to make $20 to $100 per day. Then the moment you've done that, after registering, click on this link. Then you send me a message after you have registered an account with this IQ, this broker. Okay, so the moment you click here, it will open here. Start trading binary option, 1 day, minimum $1. So you enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email here. So I'm going to register an account. You put your password. You tick I agree. Then you click the button. Try now. Okay, so that's the first condition. You must register through my link. That is the number one condition. When you register, they'll give me commission for sending you to them, as a partner. That's affiliate commission for referring you. So make sure you go through it. The moment you do that, you send me your details. So I will add you to the group where I will do the daily teaching and provide signal for trade. Okay, now a confirmation link has been sent to your email. What you do is go to your email and then confirm it. So the moment you log into your email, you will see the link sent to your inbox. So you click to confirm your account. Then after confirming your account, what next you do is you come back to the page. It will open for you. Then you download the application for your desktop. Okay, if you are using desktop, if you are using your mobile phone, you download the one for your phone. So the moment you log into your email, you will see the email sent to you. Then click on this button to confirm your account. So the moment you do that, it will activate your account and will load the trading interface. All right, so the moment your account is settled, and the next thing is to do what? Log in and fill your details, complete your profile, then fund your account. After that, you download the trading platform here. All right, the moment you download it, then you will have a platform, something like this, which we are going to use to proceed to the next stage. Okay, so here now I'm going to log in to my account. And I thought it's a little bit slow here. So we'll allow it to load. Alright, now the moment you have registered your account and you have logged in, activated it, so you download and click on login here. While that is logging in, we'll go to the next stage to fund your account. So here you can fund with any amount, 10, 30, 50, 100, as much as you can. If you have up to $10,000, you fund it. Okay, now let me go with this, funding with $30. I will choose USD. Payment method, you can choose Bitcoin, funding with Bitcoin, Neteller, Spree, and so on. I'm running an investment program, so that will be using Bitcoin. So if you're interested in joining us, a group trading account, you can also send your investment. All right, so here I'm going to fund this with Neteller, $30. Go to payment. So here I'll log into my Neteller email and confirm. So the moment you enter your billing details, that will tell you whether it was successful or it failed, then you know. Alright, so if it failed, then you check what could be the issue, and then you fund your account. I think my transaction failed. There's something wrong somewhere. An error occurred while processing the payment. This could be the temporary problem. Please try again later. Okay, so you try again and fund your account. Is that clear? So that is it about the funding account, opening account, and then funding before we proceed to trade. Is that clear? So here you can also do the funding using your either MasterCard, Bitcoin, any of the method you prefer. Okay, so you pay, you enter your details, the same process again, then you fund and log in. Is that clear? So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. So watch out for the next video on how we do the proper trading. Okay, so I have a WhatsApp group where I train people how we do it. So if you're interested in joining, all you need to do is to request. If you register through my link, you request for the WhatsApp group, I will add you. But if you already have IQ option account before, that means you will need to order for this indicator. So you order the indicator we're going to use, then we'll add you to the group again. So whichever option you have, either you register through the link and access the indicator free, or you order the indicator and then access the group again free. So any method you prefer. If you want to join our investment program where we pay you 5% return on your investment, so on weekly basis, you can join us too. For details, you can message me and then I will give you the breakdown of the details. Okay, so this is my Facebook. You can send me a message and then I will attend to you. Thank you for watching.